Hello, hello, my crafty friends. This is Dion with the Blushing Mint. Thank you guys for coming back and checking in on my channel. I thought I owed you guys a little bit of an update on this rustic winter journal that I have been working on. I did get the cover done, or it's probably not done, but I did get a cover created for it. But then I fell into a bit of a little funk here with it, and I haven't figured out how to get myself out of it. So I may end up just moving on, but I wanted to walk you guys through where I'm at with it. So thank you for being here. Thank you for checking in. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic and getting into the Christmas spirit as it is, if that's your thing. So anyway, I did get a cover made for it, and I do like the cover. I did a hidden spine slash spine cover. I don't even know what you call this thing, you guys. This is just something that I tried, and I do like it. But anywho, and so then on the front, I have one of the images from the kit itself, and it says compliments of the season. And then I've layered it with a frame. And so this is actually here a little pocket, and I'll put a tag of some sort in there. I'm going to do some more embellishments and whatnot, and then it carries over into the back. But if you can see, so like there's 3 pieces here, a spine and 2 sides that flip over the front and the back cover. And then one of my funks is this ribbon. I thought this ribbon was perfect, and it is, but I don't like the lack of heft to it. So it kind of threw me off, and unfortunately it's incorporated into the journal, and I have not been able to figure out how to do something different with it yet. So I don't know if that's what's throwing me off or not. But anyway, regardless, I may or may not get this finished. But it's lovely as it is. So front cover, I've used the matching material from the front inside the spine inside, and then 2 paper pocket or 2 paper covers there. Of course, this is where my library pocket will go, and this is where my Blushing Mint tag and whatnot will go when that time comes. So then it is a 60-page journal. I've got a lot of things that still need to be done to this, but I just thought I would show you where I'm at with it now. So I've got the pocket here. Every page in this journal has trim on it, every single page. So that is something very different for me, but I had so many amazing ribbons and trims, I had to just use them. So pocket here, tag and pocket there, the little envelope flip here, need to put something in there, a little tag that tucks into that there. This here is a little corner tuck here. This, I still left paper clips in here because I need like belly bands. I just got into a bit of a funk. So this is a pocket with an envelope there. I would still have to create some tags to go inside these envelopes. This is a tuck here, top tuck. This is it's a tag inside the pocket, and then it's also a tuck. So it's a pocket and a tuck. I did some stenciling on the back of my ledger paper. Need something in this tuck. That's our CD envelope. And then we've got a pocket here and a pocket here. And then another paper clip for another belly band or some sort of something. But yeah, look at all these trims. Like, the trims are just beautiful. I mean, it's an absolutely gorgeous journal. This is what tends to happen to me, and this is why as I'm finishing a journal, I don't necessarily video because my process takes forever. But this one, I literally have just lost my mojo on this one. I don't know what happened here. But anywho, so yeah, so we've got an ivory lace, a white ball lace, a red and green ball lace. We've got some red rickrack, a different style of ball lace. Then we have green rickrack. I mean, just, oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. And then again, I need something in here. More stenciling, tons of journaling. This is another pocket tag there. Need trims. This is our decorated glassine bag. I need something to go inside of that. Another paper clip showing that I need something on this page. Need to finish the tags out for the center of the signature. We've got our envelope here. I would need to finish something here, add something inside there. And then in this pocket as well, finish off the tags for in the tall pockets here. Then I need to put something inside this pocket, create something for inside this pocket. But these trims are just, it's beautiful. I mean, it's going to be a gorgeous journal. Like I said, I just hit a brick wall with it after I did the cover and some more things and added the trims, and now I'm just like, okay, I need to pick something else up. I don't know what the deal is, but then this is this is a tall pocket here, and then it's also a tuck behind. There we go. Was giving me a bit of a fit. So yeah, so that's a tall pocket in there. And then I have a paper clip here to put something on one of the two of these pages, possibly. Sorry, I got a pop-up on my computer. Got to get rid of it. And then got another pocket here. I need to add tabs. Another little tag here. More beautiful crochet lace trims. Another tag in there that needs to be finished. And then this envelope flips out and you can tuck something into here. Journaling and stenciling. And again, there's a pocket inside the tag and then a tuck behind here. And then a paper clip to show that I need a belly band or something additional here. Then we have a pocket behind here. We've got a little pocket here, a couple cards. You flip up, you've got a pocket here and a pocket here. And then we've got a little tuck here, a bottom tuck there. And I have another paper clip because this needs something here. This is a pocket tuck here. And I love how these trims just go so beautifully with this paper. And then on our envelope, we've got another little tuck here and something for inside the pocket. Then we've stamped up these envelopes to make them look like letters. Got a stamp and whatnot on there. And then the back, we've got a little pocket here and a tag here. And then the back. So, anywho, this is how this journal is currently shaping up. Like I said, it is not finished. I still have much work to be done on it, but just not feeling it. So I'm going to set it aside and I will try to pick up and do something else and come back to this if and when I start to feel like it. So so then I just cut myself. Anyhow, friends, that is how she is shaping up to be. And so I wanted to give you that little quick rundown of it. And I will try to give you a little tutorial on how I did this cover. Like I've said, covers are not my best at, but I think this is an easily doable cover, but it may not be Christmas when I do that tutorial. So, anywho, that is this one. I will get this video up so you can at least see that I did make some progress on it. It is a single signature. It's hardbound, single signature, 60 pages, and it still has some work to be done. But there you have it, friends. I just wanted to give you a quick update and get a video posted for you. I'm not sure when I'll get my next video posted, so I wanted you to have a little update from me. So anyway, friends, thank you for being here. Thank you for all your comments. I truly do appreciate you. And I hope to see you guys soon with another productive style of video. Until then, friends, please be well. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.